Okay, we're back. That took about 40 minutes or so. We got the tape on. You just want to make sure you got all the edges overlapped so no resin can get in. It really doesn't matter the direction of the tape. It's not like siding on your house where the part won't come off because it's hooked to the edges of the tape. What is it, a couple thou, 5 thou or something, whatever the thickness of the masking tape. But now we're going to put the part all on it, or the green seal, or depending on what part of the country you're from. I call it part all. I think that's might be a brand name like Kleenex is to tissue, right? But it's a polyvinyl alcohol. Because it's alcohol, it evaporates pretty quick. So whatever you're going to use to put it on with, I mean, you can spray it. I'm not going to bother because then I'll have to clean a little spray gun. We don't have time for that. But you can use a regular brush or a foam brush, which I have both of, but they cost $1, $2, $3 a piece. I just take a piece of foam. We've got tons of foam here, as you can see, laying around, and it's free. I've had it for years. So I just cut it off, and we'll go ahead and probably cut a smaller piece of it. We'll just cut this right in two, because you're going to have to put a couple layers of this stuff on. You want to make sure that it's good and green. If it's good and green, you know it's covered, and whatever you're laying on top of it will release. Okay, but that's it. We'll go ahead and demonstrate here. You know what? I'll bring you right in. How about I bring you right in? Come on, folks. Come on right on in here. Put you right on the table there. Let's jack you. Let's boost you up just a little. There you go. Hold on. Hold on there. Okay. You can put this stuff like in a paint lid, a little container if you want. I just go ahead and if you're freaked out, you can use gloves or whatever, and I just dab it. We'll go ahead and put a coat on the whole thing. Let it dry about 15 or 20 minutes. I know it's hard, man. It's hard to sit and wait that long. But it's garbage day. And I just heard the garbage truck go by. So I can go out and get the trash can and stuff in the recycling bin. By the way, all the cardboard, the scraps and bits that we cut up to make this thing, we recycle all that stuff. I'm not a tree hugger by any means, but I've got to do your part. So we'll just go ahead and put a coat on the whole thing, and then it'll tack up, dry up, and then once it's fully dry like that, then with the next coat you can actually build. And if you start rubbing and brushing that second coat, you can actually rub right through that first coat, even if it's good and dry, and mess it up. So you gotta be a bit patient. This stuff sometimes will make the tape buckle up a little bit too. But that's it. We're gonna go ahead and finish this up and go get the garbage can. Recycle. Talk to you later, folks.